There is no more valuable treasure than the golden composition and innovative approach of the Experalta Aurum Siberian Wellness series. The golden Indian spice turmeric is a powerful antioxidant, awakening skin radiance, evening out skin tone, and also providing an anti-aging effect. Royal jelly and propolis support skin nourishment and regeneration, help eliminate dryness and improve complexion. The innovative Patch H2O moisturizing complex in combination with Altai honey creates a molecular mesh on the surface of the skin and helps maintain optimal hydration levels, and this is the key to youth preservation. Nano-emulsion allows the valuable oils to penetrate more quickly into the upper layers of the skin, prevents transepidermal moisture loss, and gives your skin a feeling of comfort and lightness. Extracts of Siberian plants stimulate metabolic processes and enhance the protective functions of the skin. Came once again and I didn't notice it. Are you ready to shine? Experalta Aurum, irresistible beauty.